how to fix Valorant connection error. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, all you need to do, just right click on Valorant properties, compatibility, and then change settings for all users. Make sure to enable those two options, apply and OK. And after that, right click here, task manager, scroll down until you find Vanguard, and that's it. Make sure there is no process here is related to Valorant, like Vanguard or Riot Games or Valorant or something like that. And as you see, after that we can't find anything. Just close this window and go to services, scroll down until you find VGC, and here right click on it and go to properties and select here automatic, apply and OK. And that's it. Now just don't click start and restart your PC, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.